Everyone be quiet. Don't make a sound. I can't believe we're doing this. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, Cheryl, you're up. Okay, I'm on it. I hope this works. We're in! Do they not realize we have cameras everywhere? Whoa! We made it! Great work, everyone! Guys, it's the middle of the night. And we just sneaked into a water park! Let's have some fun! This is so exciting! A whole water park to ourselves! That's what you think. Time to ruin their fun. What was that? You said there were no alarms! I lied! Run! Come on, quick! Go, go, go! Wait! My phone! It's gone! Oh no! I must have dropped it! Ugh, we need to go. Well, well, well. Look what we have here. It's glorious! Okay, what are we doing first? The slides? Whoa, slow down! A swim first! We have the whole day. Let's relax. Woohoo! I love this! We're wasting time. Where's Cheryl? Yeah, where is she? Woo! Come on! I love this! Ooh, that looks cute. Hey Kevin, let's take a picture. Sure. I have an idea. Hold my hand and lean back. Great idea! Smile! This is perfect! Kevin? Kevin? Huh? That feels better. Okay, we're done here. No! Hey, Essie. The water looks great. Let's get in. Kevin! Oh, I have an idea. Give me the phone. Hey, I'll take a photo of you both. Ooh, good idea. Let's do it. When I say, go underwater. Got it. Go! Are you kidding me? Go under the water. Oh, right. Got it. Whew. Let's see it. No, that wasn't right. Kiss. Let's try it again. Make it look romantic. Got him! That's just what I need. Hey guys! Ooh. That's just what I need. Having fun is hungry work. Come on, what are we waiting for? We might have a slight problem. We've got no money. Don't worry. I've got a plan. Here goes. Now's my chance. So good! Nice and easy. She won't suspect a thing. Ooh, a burger. Gimme. I need sauce. Hey, I, like your hat. Really? Thanks. Oh yeah, guys in hats are, so hot. Are you seeing this? Got it! Let's go! Gotta go! I told my mom I looked good. What a meal! I knew it would work. Let's go! You done well, Cheryl. So, do I have to wear these? How do I look? What am I supposed to do with this? Don't ask me. Ouch! Ow! Oops. Sorry! Ouch! Ow! Cheryl! It was an accident! Just watch where you're swinging that thing. How do I look? Hey. Let's do this! Wish us luck! Whoa! Woohoo! Let's do it again! I can't do this! So long! Woo! Where's the brake? Why am I going backwards? Just enjoy it! Whoa! This was a bad idea! I'm having a great time! Whoa! It's so fast! I know! This is the best! Try and be more graceful, Kevin. Imagine a swan. I'm trying my best. We should do this professionally. What's next? The water slides! Whoa, this is so cool. I'm getting a little dizzy. But you have to try this! I have no idea where it ends. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Ugh, I hope no one saw that. Okay, this is dark. Who turned out the lights? Mommy, save me! I think I can see something. Daylight! Oh, that was intense. Why did I have to do that? This is cozy. I hope this isn't scary. Whoa! Kevin! Make it stop! Ow! Whee! Okay, this is fast! Bye! Yeah! See you soon! Ooh, this is steep! It was crazy! It went so fast! Guys? That's my phone! This is good. He took my phone! I love free things. I need to get it! Wait, we need to be smart. You two distract him. I'll sneak up and grab it. Let's go! Hey! Over here! Ha! Got it! The perfect crime. Kevin? You good? Yes. Huh? Uh-oh. Come here! Time to get out of here! I have to hide. I'll go underwater. He'll never find me. Shh. What do I do now? Oh, I know! I hope this works. What am I doing? I need to find somewhere else to hide. Think! Aha! I'm a genius! I'll go in the water! Suck! I got the phone! Let's see what's going on! Do you see him? I think we're good. Hold on. Where are the guys? Where will I go? We should have stuck together. I'll hide out here. Ugh! The current's so strong! I hope he doesn't find me. I just need to climb up here. Made it! Hey! Come here! Can we talk about this? Just move it. Kevin. Essie? Not so fast. They're coming with me.
Okay.
Hey! Cheryl? You need to check this out! It's a pretty good likeness, huh? But I'm prettier. Stop it! You deserve it! This has been a great day. Being with you has been the best part. Aw, Kevin. Ew, I'm gonna puke. Make room for me. You have to ruin the mood. Let's limbo. Nah, this is more fun. Bring it on! Wait until I get you. Ugh! You got me! Give me that! It's time for revenge! I thought this was a waterfall? Ah! You had to say that! I've always wanted to be a mermaid. You'd suit a tiara. Check out this hair flick. Nailed it! What a day. It's been pretty awesome. You guys are the best. Aww. Wow, that looked fun. The guys certainly made a splash. How would you spend a day at the water park? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.